What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kenna Don, the big Don, the mug and biggest, and welcome back to my channel. I got diamonds doing slides in both ways. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas. So as y'all read by the title, I'm gonna be doing a little quick little 1-2 little install for y'all. Disclaimer: I am not a hairstylist, so not too much. But if you do have some helpful tips that I could use, feel free to leave them down in the comments. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so boom, I already put on my cap. I did the bob cap method. I only do the bob cap method whenever I'm gonna put on a new wig. Other than that, like, it's not really necessary. I don't know why I like doing the bob cap method when I put on a new wig. I wish I had an answer for you, but I don't. So let's just jump right into it. So I'm gonna be putting on this wig here. It is a 24-inch curly wig. I've already plucked it and bleached the knots. So yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into the install. I'm gonna first take this ebony lace tint and tint the lace real quick. Okay, so after I line my wig up like I want it to be, I'm gonna go in with the ebony, the black hand, and do about like 3 layers of this. So after I get through, positioning and melting it down as much as I can, I'm gonna take my elastic band and, just let that sit on there for a little minute. Okay, so after that's done, excuse the way my hair looked like. While I was letting the lace melt, I was trying to try a style, and I should have just kind of did it while it was on the mannequin head, because it was a lot going on. So I'm just gonna do a middle part, you know what I'm saying? I'm a whore for middle parts, okay? So that's what we just gonna do today. But for right now, let's cut this lace. Okay, so after I cut the lace, I like to go back in with that ebony and go around the edges real quick and melt that again. I don't care how long it takes to get an out back. All my niggas outside state, bitch, we out back. What? I don't care how long it takes to get an out back. All my niggas outside state, bitch, we out back. Doom, 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 doom. Okay, so while that is melting, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair the way I want it to, and get in there with the hot comb to make it as flat as possible. you know, melt that for a little bit, I go ahead and start doing my baby hairs. Okay, so after I finish my baby hairs, I go ahead and put the elastic band on there one last time. So after that is done setting, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Boom. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. Y'all already know where to meet me. Don't meet me there. Beat me there. Okay, so here's the final look, guys. Y'all. Excuse my face, a little dry, whatever. But do we like it? Do we like it? It's cute. Let me try to hurry up because my phone's gonna die. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in this video this week. You guys let me know if you like the hair down in the comments below. Okay, don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. They're gonna be in the description below. Okay, and I will see y'all next week. Bye.
It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I